Hey, my name's Amber Wyskochil. I am born and raised in Cheyenne, so I've been here for a while. I love that Cheyenne is the bigger city with a small town feel. We have lots of cute downtown shops, lots of things for kids. I have 2 little ones, and we love to go to the new splash pad, go to the parks, just be outdoors whenever we can. I am a stay-at-home mom as a Mary Kay beauty consultant. I'm in the Wyoming Air National Guard, and my husband is as well, so we love that the military aspect of life is huge here in Cheyenne and super welcomed here. There's events that are kind of around the military days, during Veterans Day, lots of things. And there's tons of shopping here as well. Like I said, small downtown is really nice. The cute little shop local businesses. I love our farmers market and just supporting all the local areas. But then we do have a mall and other big stores that are great to shop at as well. And I love that getting to and from places in Cheyenne is not very long at all. It could take you 15 minutes to get from one side of the town to the other side of the town, and just to go out to be in the country or to the mountains isn't a very long drive at all. If you like to do snowboarding and snowshoeing, those are always fun, but then there's little areas to do sledding and everything that my kids love to do here in town as well. I just love that Cheyenne is a great place to raise a family, that you still have that nice big activities that are available, but still just the smaller, not overwhelmingness of some of the bigger metro cities. So Cheyenne is definitely a great place to be and raise a family. And